See, so how to define alcohols? First, I will discuss about alcohols, then followed by phenols and ethers. So the hydroxy derivatives of the hydroxy OH derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic means open chain. Hydrocarbons are called alcohols, in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by OH group. What is the meaning of that? For example, if we can take hydrocarbon, I have taken RH. So hydrocarbon is nothing but general alkanes, whatever that I have taken alkane, aliphatic hydrocarbon. It is nothing but alkane. Now, in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. Okay, if I have replaced the one hydrogen by adding OH group plus OH, what we get here? ROH. It is called alcohol. That is called alcohol. For example, say if we can take methane. Okay, the removal of one hydrogen by OH group, we get methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. So finally, how to define alcohol? The hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons, in which one or more hydrogens are replaced by OH group, are called alcohols. Okay, if we can take alcohol uses. Generally, these are used for wood polishing purpose, furniture polishing purpose, particularly ethyl alcohol spirit. That is used for furniture polishing purpose. Not only that, for example, menthol, 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 obtained from oil of peppermint. Oil of peppermint. It is used to flavor tobacco and food. So menthol obtained from oil of peppermint, it is used to flavor of tobacco and food. Not only that, cane sugar and cotton cloth, writing paper are made up of organic hydroxy compounds. So at the same time, alcohols are used as a solvents. At the same time, alcohols are used for starting material. Starting material means reactants. Based on alcohols, we prepared a lot of organic compounds like ethers obtained from alcohols, like ketones obtained from alcohols, like carboxylic acids obtained from alcohols. Lot of organic compounds are obtained from alcohols. So these all are main uses of alcohols. What I have given, the hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons are called alcohols. Alcohols are used for furniture polishing purpose. At the same time, it is used to flavor tobacco and food. At the same time, cane sugar, cloves, writing paper, these are made up of hydroxy derivatives. Not only that, alcohols, based on that, we prepared a lot of organic compounds. Ethers are obtained from alcohols. Carboxylic acids are obtained from alcohols. Ketones are obtained from alcohols. These all are uses. Now listen. Classification. Same classification. Before, halogen derivatives of alkanes and arenes may how to have given same classification. See. Okay, classification. Alcohols can be classified as, first of all, aliphatic and aromatic alcohols. First thing, These are classified as a aliphatic and aromatic. So what are aliphatic alcohols? In which the hydroxyl group attached to carbon atom of aliphatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic means open chain. For example, say this. If the OH group is attached like this, it is a aliphatic alcohol, methyl alcohol or methanol, whatever. Not only that, if I have taken this one, it is also aliphatic alcohol. So 2-propanol or isopropyl alcohol. Not only that, it is also aliphatic alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. So aliphatic alcohols means here the hydroxyl group, OH group, directly bonded with open chain carbons, aliphatic chain carbon, that is called aliphatic alcohols, open chain. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol.
So we can also take alkene and alkyne.
वो भी possible है.
We can also take alkene and alkyne.
So alkenols, alkynols, okay, everything possible. Alkenes को CH2CH उसका डबल बॉन्ड भी ले सकता है. So ब्यूटेन लिया, फर्स्ट कार्बन में डबल बॉन्ड लिया, थर्ड कार्बन फोर्थ कार्बन OH ग्रुप लिया, वो भी अल्कोहल्स बोलते हैं. But why have given particularly? Generally saturated alcohols are most important here because based on that they are prepared lot of compounds. Okay, alcohols OH group is bonded. Aliphatic means anything. Either double bond also possibility is there, triple bond also possibility is there, single bond also possibility is there. Here mostly we discuss about saturated. That's why I have given these are aliphatic alcohols. Like if we can take aromatic alcohols. Okay, generally in aromatic alcohols, if we are observed aromatic alcohols in which OH group not bonded directly with. Generally, in which aromatic alcohols means see now. Generally here aromatic alcohols. In aromatic alcohols, the OH group is not directly bonded with the ring. See this. Aromatic compound is there. Hydroxyl group is present in side chain of aromatic hydrocarbons. Side chain means like this, having CH2OH. So otherwise, not only that, if side chain, see this. These all are called aromatic alcohols. Otherwise, OH group is directly bonded with the ring. So that type of aromatic compounds are called phenols. PHENOL, phenol. Okay, like this. If I have taken, so OH is directly bonded here. It is called phenol. So phenol. Generally, aromatic alcohols means in which the hydroxy group is present in side chain of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Side chain. Side chain means, for example, before methyl. So methyl benzene here, hydrogen replaced by OH. Ethyl benzene, hydrogen replaced by OH. Generally, these compounds are called aromatic alcohols. These are called aliphatic alcohols. If the OH group is directly bonded on ring, that is called phenol. Okay, we know what about ethers. Ethers mean just they present only oxygen. Oxygen surrounded by left and right, two alkyl groups are present. So these are referred as a ethers. After that, alcohols. Alcohols are classified as a mono, di, tri, polyhydric alcohols depending upon number of hydroxyl groups present in the compound. If again we can take alcohols are classified. So depending upon number of OH groups, monohydric alcohols and dihydric alcohols and trihydric alcohols and polyhydric alcohols. See this. So alcohols are further classified depending upon number of hydroxyl groups. These are further classified as monohydric, then followed by dihydric, then followed by trihydric, then followed by polyhydric. What about monohydric? Say that monohydric.
Only one OH group is attached.
Okay, which contain? They contain only one OH group.
One.
They contain only one hydroxyl group, that is called monohydric. Give example. What are the CH3OH, CH3CH2OH? Okay, everything these are called monohydric alcohols. Okay, dihydric alcohols. Generally, two hydroxyl groups present different carbon atoms. These are also called diols or glycols. Diols or glycols. Generally, they contain two OH groups. So they are also called glycols or diols. See this. For example, if I have taken CH2OH, CH2OH. So here dihydroxy, two OH groups are present. At the same time, if these two OH groups are present, different carbons, these are also called glycols. Glycols or diols. Glycols or diols. So finally, dihydric alcohols are also called glycols or diols. Like that, if we can take trihydric alcohols, okay, which contain three OH groups. At the same time, we are observed that three OH groups are present, different carbons. Such case only these alcohols are stable. Okay, I will give next case. If same carbon having more than one alcohols are there, the type of alcohols are unstable. That's why I have taken dihydric alcohols means two OH groups are different carbon. These are called glycols or diols. Three OH groups are present on different carbons. These are also called glycerols or triols. Glycerols or triols. See. So it is also referred as a simply glycerol or triol. It is also referred as a simply glycols or diol. So these are monohydric alcohol. Otherwise, if more than three, generally more than three. So polyhydric alcohol. Before I have given sorbitol or mannitol, that is given. Hexahydric alcohol. What I have given there? CH2OH, CHOH, CHOH, CHOH taken 4 times, CH2OH. See this. It is one of the important polyhydric alcohol. Total number of OH groups are 6. It is also called hexahydric alcohol. Simply, it is also called mannitol or sorbitol. Mannitol or sorbitol, hexahydric alcohol, mannitol or sorbitol. Say this. Depending upon number of OH groups. Here alcohols are classified as a monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, polyhydric alcohols. Okay, monohydric alcohols, only one OH group. Dihydric alcohol, these are also called glycols or diols. Trihydric alcohol, these are also called glycerols or triols. So hexahydric alcohol is an example of polyhydric alcohol. Okay, after that, further here mainly we discuss about monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are further classified as a depending upon OH bonded type of carbon. OH bonded type of carbon. So primary, generally monohydric alcohols are classified as a further how many possibilities are there?
Primary, secondary,
Monohydric
tertiary.
alcohols
Primary,
are
secondary.
further classified. Say now, monohydric alcohols means having only one OH group. Okay, further.
Sir, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree.
Very
Four.
good.
Three.
Monohydric alcohols. Generally, monohydric alcohols, general formula if you are observed, CnH2n plus 1 into OH. CnH2n plus 1 into OH. Okay, that is a monohydric alcohol general formula. Otherwise, it is also represented, see this, CnH2n plus 2O. So monohydric alcohols general formula CnH2n plus 1 into OH. Further, these are classified primary monohydric alcohols, secondary monohydric alcohols, tertiary monohydric alcohols. Okay, these are further classified primary 1 degree, then 2 degree, then 3 degree. So primary monohydric alcohol. So how to say that? Given monohydric alcohol is a primary or not?
Alcohol bonded with a 1 degree carbon.
Okay, very good. Generally, their monohydric alcohol means only one OH group. That is bonded primary carbon. See, like this. If I have taken example which contain generally CH2OH group. CH2OH group is present. Generally, which contains CH2OH group. So, for example, methanol, that is a monohydric alcohol series. Otherwise, ethanol, otherwise isopropyl alcohol, otherwise tertiary butyl alcohol, everything this belongs to, sorry, 1 minute. Monohydric alcohols. So these are both are referred as a, see, OH bonded carbon here 1 degree. So it is a primary monohydric alcohol. There also OH bonded carbon 1 degree. That is also primary monohydric alcohol. Okay, simply see here. It is which type of monohydric alcohol? Primary. Okay, very good. Only one OH group is there, that is bonded 1 degree carbon. So it is called primary monohydric alcohol. This one?
Secondary.
Secondary monohydric alcohol, 2 degree. This one?
Tertiary.
Tertiary monohydric alcohols. So monohydric having only one OH group. If that OH group is bonded primary carbon, primary monohydric alcohol. If that is bonded secondary carbon, secondary monohydric alcohol. If that is bonded tertiary carbon, that is called tertiary monohydric alcohol. See this, it is a primary, it is a secondary, that is a tertiary. Generally, primary monohydric alcohols having generally we are observed CH2OH group. Secondary monohydric alcohols having we are observed CHOH group. CHOH group. Tertiary monohydric alcohols having we are observed just COH like this. See. So primary monohydric alcohols having which group is there? CH2OH. Secondary monohydric alcohols having CHOH. See this. CHOH. Here indirectly hydrogen is present. Okay, right side one bond, left side one bond. So tertiary monohydric alcohols having COH. Otherwise, we are easily identified. Given monohydric alcohol is a 1 degree or 2 degree or 3 degree. If that is bonded primary carbon, primary monohydric alcohol. If that is bonded secondary carbon, secondary monohydric alcohol. If that is bonded tertiary carbon, tertiary monohydric alcohols. Okay, after that. So what about allylic alcohols? Allylic alcohols.
Alcohol attached to sp3 carbon
Allylic
having
alcohols,
one
benzylic alcohols, vinylic alcohols, same, similar to like that. Same. Before halogen derivatives of alkyl is given. Same this one. There I have given allylic halides, benzylic halides, vinylic halides. Like that, here alcohols also classified allylic alcohols, benzylic alcohols, vinylic alcohols. Okay, say structures. So I want first allylic alcohols. उसमें 3 types बताओ. Okay, first one allylic alcohol. एक example बताओ.
C3H6O.
Okay. So I want allylic, vinylic, and benzylic alcohol. उसमें types.
Propanol.
See, it is say similar to halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives may have given same. There is no difference. First say allylic alcohols.
Two propanol.
Ethyl 2-ol.
Okay, say structure फटाफट. In this alcohol, OH group is bonded first. Which carbon?
sp3.
Very good. OH group is bonded first. sp3 carbon. Next to what we want?
Double bond.
Adjacent to double bond.
Double bond.
C double bond C. That is only enough. This is called allylic alcohol. See, sp3 next carbon double complete structure लिया तो CH2, then CH, CH2. Am I right? Okay, it is a allylic alcohol. So this allylic alcohol, it is a primary or secondary? Tertiary.
Primary.
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 It is a primary allylic alcohol. Okay, say secondary allylic alcohol. CH2, CH,
CH2, CH3.
here CH, here OH, this carbon having
OH,
one more carbon. That is
One more
enough.
here.
It
Yes,
is called secondary allylic alcohol. Say tertiary.
One more carbon attached.
Very good. This hydrogen replaced by one more carbon. So tertiary allylic alcohol. See, here I have taken carbon, here OH. So it is referred as a tertiary allylic alcohol. Okay, now Say benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols. Say that benzylic alcohols.
2 benzene, 1 ethanol.
Okay, before I have
Yes.
given benzylic halide, benzyl halides given. Okay, CH2 here OH. This is called benzylic alcohol. Particularly, it is a primary benzylic alcohol. Say that secondary benzylic alcohol. So, one hydrogen replaced by carbon. This is called what we can say secondary benzylic alcohol. What about tertiary benzylic alcohol?
Hydrogen
One-
replaced by one more carbon.
Very good. Hydrogen replaced by one more carbon. It is called tertiary benzylic alcohol. See this. So benzylic alcohol. In this alcohol, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon. This one. sp3 hybridized carbon next to an aromatic ring. Next to an aromatic ring. So OH group is attached to sp3 carbon atom next to an aromatic ring, that is called benzylic alcohol. Okay, these are maybe primary benzylic alcohol, secondary benzylic alcohol, tertiary benzylic alcohol. Okay, now to say what about vinylic alcohols?
Alcohol attached to sp2 hybridization carbon.
Very good. Vinylic alcohols. Vinylic alcohols means I have given directly the OH group is bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. Now here CH2 CHOH. See this. Here OH group is directly bonded to sp2 hybridized carbon. So it is nothing but vinyl alcohol. Vinylic alcohol. Okay, already these are given everything halogen derivative same. Halogen place में OH लेना पड़ता बस. Remaining everything same. So depending upon number of OH groups, these are classified monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, polyhydric alcohols. After that, if only one OH group monohydric, 2 OH groups dihydric, 3 OH groups trihydric, more than that polyhydric. Further monohydric alcohols are the OH bonded type of carbon. These are further classified 3 types: primary monohydric, secondary monohydric, tertiary monohydric. Okay, after that allylic alcohols, and then benzylic alcohols, then vinylic alcohols. Okay, now followed by I have given nomenclature. Halogen derivatives also same similar like this order only. Okay, nomenclature. See this. So nomenclature में generally 2 names are present. So first one common name and IUPAC name. Generally, say this. If you are observed here, common name of alcohols. Common name of alcohols. So in common system, alcohols are named as alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols. See this. So alkyl alcohols, alkyl followed by alcohols, alkyl alcohols, that is the common name. So methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, whatever that, alkyl alcohol, it is related to common name. See this. So same alcohols, IUPAC names. IUPAC name in alcohols, first we can say what is the number of carbons. Number of carbons is nothing but alk. Alk plus same alkane. Alk plus same alkane. Okay, there is replaced by ol. Alkanol. That is the IUPAC name. IUPAC system, meth plus same methane is replaced by ol methanol. Eth plus same ethane. So E is replaced by ol ethanol, methanol, ethanol, ethane, diol, Like this, it is called IUPAC system. Now in this process, one more thing, see. If cyclic alcohols are given, cyclic alcohols case, the prefix we use the cyclo. Cyclopentanol, cyclohexanol, cyclopropanol, like that. Otherwise, if any alcohol having more than one OH group is there, for example, say CH2OH, CH2OH. Okay, it is called diol glycol. This glycol is also called glycol is the generally what we can say that is the common name. So if you want IUPAC name, see this. Here two carbons are there, E. Carbon-carbon single bond is there, E plus N, ethane. But here more than one OH group. Because of that reason, the E is not replaceable. As it is, we take the E 1,2 diol. So that is the correct IUPAC name. Ethane 1,2 diol. Like propane 1,2, 3 triol. Ethane 1,2 diol. It is the correct IUPAC name of given alcohols. Okay, at the same time, one more system is there. That is called carbinol system. Generally, it is only for objective. See this carbinol system. In carbinol system, according to carbinol system, CH3OH is called carbinol. Generally, CH3OH is called carbinol. According to carbinol system, CH3OH is called carbinol. So this is the common name. Uska common name glycol bolte, glycols. So carbinol. Carbinol. CH3OH is called carbinol. Remaining alcohols are considered as its derivatives. What is the meaning of that? If I have taken CH3, CH2OH. Now here one carbon and OH group is called carbinol according to this system. Remaining here CH3 group is there. That is called methyl carbinol. Methyl carbinol. Generally, it is just given, it is not important. According to carbinol system, they are given one carbon OH. COH group is called carbinol. Remaining are treated as its derivatives. Okay, if one carbon is there, methyl carbinol, two carbons are there.